Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be going through my makeup bag that I brought on our cruise. So right now we are on the Royal Caribbean something of the seas, Voyager of the Seas, and we actually just came back from Catalina Island, so we went to get lit over there, just walk for a bit, eat some ice cream, and I had my new top on. You guys have seen this in a different video, but I wanted to show you guys the products that I brought with me for today, and that's actually the makeup that I'm wearing right now. If you want to see the products that I brought along with me, products that I regret bringing, products that I wish I brought with me, and the products that I've been loving throughout this cruise, just keep on watching. First off, this is my makeup bag. I actually showed it in a collective haul video, I believe. It's just a Juicy Couture makeup bag. Actually quite a few things, not as much as I usually bring, but you know, quite a few things. So first off, we have my lash book. So this is the one from, I believe it was Shein. I bought it for like what, $2.99 or something like that on the site, and it's basically what houses my lashes. So I have a couple of natural lashes in here. I went ahead and brought my Ebony York lashes. You guys know, if you know, I love these, but I love this little lash book. It's so cute. I also do have my lash glue in here as well. I did bring it along with me to Catalina because just never know. So I just used the AOA Studios A+ lash adhesive from the Camo CC website, and this one works amazing. Just in case one decided to pop off, I was like, I'm gonna be prepared, girl. And I also have my little lash applicator from my Cosmetics. So this little moment, these are cute because they come with a little carrying moment for your lash glue as well. So it could look like that. There, now I'm ready. So I do have my lip combo in my fanny pack. This is actually what I took with me over there. I like perfume and stuff in here, only essentials, girl, Excedrin. I have my pressed powder for on the go. You guys have seen this in my what's in my purse video. I always carry this with me, girl, because you just never know. I have my little Barbie hand sanitizer, lotion. Okay, so this is the lip products that I brought with me on our little excursion: pressed powder and my lip combo, of course. So we have the J-Cat Roll It Up Auto Eyeliner. I like to use that as a lip liner. That's what I have on the lips today, and this one is in the shade brown. Love this, girl. Usually get the lip liner with the red writing on it, but it's sold out, so that's what I'm using right now, as well as my fave Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade, don't know, girl, but it's the pink one. It's a really pretty shade. We're actually in my room right now. I didn't even mention it's the room we're staying in. We actually got an interior room opposed to a room with a window. It's cheaper. Also, it's just you know, basically the same thing, and most of the time we're not even in the room. More stuff going in. We have my sponge, which is here, which actually today was the first day that I actually put on makeup, and the very first day we got on the boat, because my eye, I woke up the first day of the cruise and my eye was red. Right now it's still not fully, oh, hopefully it's healed, but something was going on, girl. But so I didn't wear makeup yesterday, and I felt it's just not my full best. So today I was really happy to wake up and my eyes looked pretty normal, so just went ahead and did my makeup. I also did buy this ring right now at Catalina, a little souvenir. It's so cute. It was $6.99. Love it. So I did go ahead and pop on some makeup today. Finally, I was able to finally use these products. So I used my sponge. I like this little carrier that I got from the Dollar Tree because it has these little ventilator things, so your sponge, if it's wet, it can dry. It's really cute. It has a little heart. The sponge itself, honestly, I don't know where it's from. It did its best, girl. It's not the best sponge, but it did what it can do. Okay, next I have this mirror. I think I mentioned this in a collective haul as well. This is my Barbie mirror from Miniso. So yes, it's so cute, and I brought it just in case because they do have a mirror, a light up wall mirror right here, but something's for the up close and personal when I'm doing my brows and everything. I like to use a handheld mirror. I also do have this little carrying case for my brushes here from the Dollar Tree. All of these products I mentioned in haul videos, so if you see something, you're like, oh my god, that looks familiar. I mentioned in a video. So this is a little brush carrier case that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and funny enough, I was gonna bring a whole bunch of like mini brushes with me, but girl, I was like, I only have a couple of face brushes. I didn't bring any eyeshadow products at all, so I just needed my face brushes, and I only brought like 4 of them literally, and they all fit in here. So 2 Milk Makeup, we have an Ione Cosmetics one, and a Jaclyn Hill Morphe one. So they all fit perfectly in this little case. We have my little poof AOA Studio Vibes. It's so good. And then we have a lash curler. I'm not really a huge lash curler person, but because of my whole eye situation, the first day we got on the boat, I did not wear lashes. I just put mascara on. So I just went ahead and used these to kind of perk up my lashes a little bit. You know, for a little bit of mascara vibes. I also have my pressed powder. Well, why don't we go in order? I always go in with brows first. You guys know, if you know my fave, this SHEGLAM Brows on Demand 2-in-1 Brow Pencil and Shade Chocolate is a fave. It comes with a little like micro side and as well as a pen side. So that is what I have on the brows today, girl. I bring it everywhere I go. Love this. And then we have the Revolution Laminate Brow Fixer, which you guys have also seen. It looks like white, but it looks amazing. And it, I was gonna say shuts down. It kind of presses the eyebrows down so they don't move. And I've had this makeup on for quite a few hours. We left the boat around 10 a.m. I want to say. It's 2:32 right now. So then next we have primer. So I was originally just gonna bring 1 primer, but I did need a little bit of hydration. This e.l.f. one is so, I don't want to say drying, it's just like, it's a mattifying primer, but it's like matte, girl. So I did need a little bit of moisture, so I went ahead and added my Covergirl trublend Skin Enhancer Plush Plump Primer, which I'm glad I did, girl, because if you're just going in with this alone, girl, if you have dry skin with this alone, that's gonna be a little tough for you, because this is a matte. It's like a silicone, but it's gonna mattify your skin, girl. Gives you no type of moisture at all. This is the e.l.f. Power Grip Matte Primer, and it really is. So I did go ahead and bring in these 2 primers for my sanity and for my skin, because without this one, girl, it would have been game over. It's just like really, really matte. So next we have foundation. I brought my tried and true e.l.f. Camo CC cream in the shade medium 330W. A goodie, girl. That is what I have on the face today. I'm telling you, my makeup has been on for quite a few hours. I love this. Next, I went in with my cream products. So all the cream products that I bought are from Beauty Creations. So I just went ahead and added these, but whatever, you know, your cream products are, preference, whatever. But I went ahead and it's crazy because I'm usually a powder girly. Never really been just creams, but this time around, because of my whole like summer get ready with me video, I realized like you could just do creams and then just like powder and you're done, because everything's still coming through. So I went ahead and added my cream products, which are all Beauty Creations. Again, I bought these all from Marshall's. They have them available over there. We have the Beauty Creations Glow Up Liquid Highlight. This is in the shade of Bubbling Rose. And then we have the blush in the shade Moody Mauve. And also the bronzer in the shade Brown Sugar, which I feel like I can go a shade darker maybe, but this one's good. So I did use these 3 on the face as well. And then that's when I go in with concealer, which for concealer I brought in my fave tried and true e.l.f. concealer, 16 hour Camo concealer in the shade, what shade are you? Medium beige. I always forget. It's really good. It's lasted all day, girl. Love this. Love the doe foot. I like the I like the mattifying concealer opposed to the luminous one. We also do have the powder. So this is I love this because it's a powder slash blush product. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. It's called their Soulmates face palette. It's a Pillow Talk Flawless Pink. So this is the one that has like a little gem on it. It's really pretty. And I hauled this earlier this year. So it comes with a powder on one side and then the blush on the other. And this blush is stunning. They also do offer it in like more of an orangey kind of blush vibe. So I do go in next and set my under eyes and T-zone area with the powder side. And then I do set my blush with the blush side. So that's pretty much it for powder. which is crazy because I am oily and I would always carry all types of powders with me, but I feel like it just goes really well. Just powder where I need it and not like any excess powder, so everything's kind of just set nicely on the face. Next, I want to say I go in with a setting spray to set everything down. I do go back in, fix the brows, and then set them down after all the cream products and powders are done. So for setting spray, I only bought one. This is the Ina Cosmetics Face Finishing Spray. And this one's a goodie. I've actually done like a TikTok video years ago talking about this product, especially for the summer. This one's a goodie, girl. It's gonna give you the hydration that you need. It gives you a beautiful glow from within look. It's just stunning. And if you want everything to mesh together, sink into the skin, you're really gonna enjoy this. So literally $125, so good. A couple more products to talk about. We have another lip products. So if I don't wear pink, I have this other Too Faced liquid lipstick in this like nude shade. So let me compare them. We have my pink and we have my nude, just in case, girl, you never know. As for the names, girl, I don't remember, they're like rubbed off. So I brought one eyeliner. I just brought a liquid liner. I didn't bring a gel liner with me. I'm just not really into, especially in the summer, like putting gel liner on the lower lash line. So I just went ahead with a little bit of mascara on the lower lashes. But for my wing, we have the LA Colors, girl, I'm speaking so fast, LA Colors eye marker in the shade black. And this one's a goodie from Dollar Tree. It's a cute little like travel size, but it's also just a good liner in general, so I like that. And then we have three mascaras technically. We have the AOA Studio Pre-Lash Lash Primer because, like I said, on the first day I didn't wear lashes, so I did go ahead and add primer before my mascara to add a little bit of volume. And this one's a really good one too. Let me show you how it looks. There we go. And then for mascara, this is the one that I've been using the most, the A2O Lab one, but I also did bring another one just in case. We have the Build It Up mascara from the Camo CC website. So this is the one that I've been using. I also use this today. I love the wand. It's like really nice. It's a nice size. And then for a backup mascara, just in case, we have the Rimmel Wonder Bond Bonding Serum Mascara, which looks like so. This one's another goodie, so I'm like, just in case, nice size as well. I have that, and that's actually literally everything in my makeup bag, girl. So everything, I have to say, I really am glad that I packed cream products opposed to a bunch of powder products, because it's just quick and easy. Again, it's summer. It is pretty hot out there. It's not like as hot as usual. I feel like the last time we came on this cruise, it was way hotter, but also we did go a little bit earlier in the day, so it's nice and cool, so it wasn't like super sweaty or anything. But again, for being in the outdoors with that heat, going in the little boat, because the actual cruise ship does not dock in Catalina, you have to take a little boat over there. So going on the little boat and walking and the sun and the heat, girl, this makeup is pretty good for the amount of hours that I've had it on. And it's also going to be with me throughout the night, girl, because it's barely what time is it? Barely 2:39 right now. So we have the whole night. We have an ice skating show for later, a love and marriage show later on as well. I was gonna like vlog the cruise, but honestly, like, I vlogged it last time and not a lot of people view it, and I usually do it for myself, but I'm like, I'm more like, I want to enjoy the moment. We are also trying a new cruise ship, because the last time we did Carnival and this time we're doing Royal Caribbean, so we're seeing like the differences in that, and it's really fun. If you've never taken a cruise, I definitely recommend you do. I really love the products that I brought with me. Honestly, I wouldn't change a thing. I think everything worked out great. I think maybe if I had one suggestion for past Steph, I would just say like throw in a gloss, because when you are vibing, you know, on a cruise ship and you're in the summer, you want your lips to be nice and glossy. So that's like the only thing that I'm missing, I feel. But everything else, I love that I did not bring eyeshadow, girl. Sometimes I bring shadow with me places, Vegas and stuff, and I don't wear shadow because, again, you're in a hurry, you're trying to get ready, you don't have time to be intricate and go in with all your eyeshadow necessities, you know, in the summer too. So yeah, I think everything I brought, worked perfectly, especially the brushes. I'm glad I didn't go in and bring 101 little brushes with me. These 4 brushes have served me well, so I'm glad with all the makeup that I brought. Really happy. Let me know what kind of products do you take with you on a cruise or in any kind of trip when you're traveling with your makeup. Let me know, am I missing anything? What should I add? Should I take away something? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.